The first person to land on the moon was Neil Armstrong. He was an American astronaut and commander of the Apollo 11 mission, which successfully landed on the moon on July 20, 1969. Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the lunar surface, famously declaring, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Here are some interesting facts about Neil Armstrong. 1. First man on the moon. Armstrong made history on July 20, 1969, by becoming the first person to set foot on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission. 2. Astronaut career. Before his historic lunar landing, Armstrong flew on the Gemini 8 mission in 1966, becoming the first American civilian astronaut to fly in space. 3. Engineering background. Armstrong earned a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering from Purdue University, and later earned a Master of Science degree in Aerospace Engineering from the University of Southern California. 4. Test pilot. Armstrong served as a test pilot for the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA, and its successor, NASA, before being selected as an astronaut. 5. Modest demeanor. Despite his monumental achievement, Armstrong was known for his modesty and humility. He often deflected attention away from himself and credited the success of the Apollo 11 mission to the collective effort of thousands of people. 6. Retirement and teaching career. After retiring from NASA in 1971, Armstrong taught aerospace engineering at the University of Cincinnati and later served on various corporate boards. 7. Space exploration advocate. Armstrong remained an advocate for space exploration throughout his life. He testified before Congress on multiple occasions in support of continued space exploration efforts. 8. Presidential Medal of Freedom. In 1969, Armstrong received the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest civilian award in the United States, for his contributions to space exploration. 9. Spacecraft namesake. The Apollo 11 command module, which carried Armstrong and his fellow astronauts to the moon and back, was named Columbia in honor of Christopher Columbus's historic voyage of exploration. 10. Legacy. Neil Armstrong's legacy as the first person to walk on the moon continues to inspire generations of people around the world to pursue scientific exploration and discovery.